Welcome on board. This is the female general, the only female general we have in Amazonia. We don't have two. Before me is me, after me is still me. Please invite and share. Let us have some conversation. I'm trying to go live, but I'll be so much attacked. And if you are joining, please invite, show some love so that we go to the point. We have so much to talk about today, and I'm so very angry with the manipulation and the lies telling we have for this revolution. I have been keeping quiet, but no anymore. He has to stop. He has to stop. Yes, I can come and say he has to stop, because in 2016, when we started this revolution, fake journalist was not there. In 2016, when we started this revolution, so many was not there. The last telling and manipulation have to stop. Invite and share so that we will tell the truth to Amazonians, because the truth shall set us free. I am here to say the truth as it is, because they say when you do mistake, don't feel shy to come and say I've done mistake, I'm sorry, and tell the truth to a people, because I get the right. I own Amazonian explanation. I own Amazonians explanation, and I own Amazonians the truth. As you all know, I know the talk say, and the listing say, the yes say, me at the talk now with facts. At the talk now with facts. Based on where he no happy, may he go sit down, listen to truth, and pray to God to free him, because this revolution don't turn to lies by lies, manipulation by manipulation. And me, the female general, will not sit down and let them happen. I am quiet. So many are happy because they say we don't succeed to shut her mouth up. No. If I'm not coming live because my internet is giving me problem. But now that we have opportunity to have this conversation, I say I do not announce, because anytime I announce I'm going live, I'm not able to go live because I go try everything. You know, go waka. I go try. So right now, so I just try. I come see say waka. So we must talk. There will no stop Amazonian to know the truth. If you want to hear the truth, because when I see say this my director is over big, it don't overstore things. I get to vomit them. When I don't say when I want to talk, wait through where they pen me. I know the sit down. I know the sit down. If I don't stand up, so I know say it don't bad. It don't bad. It don't bad, my people. When I get to share this show, when I get to share, because La Republic is celebrating. They are so happy that they have succeeded. But I have come to tell Amazonians, La Republic can never succeed when I'm still alive. La Republic will not succeed when I am still alive. I said over my dead body. I will keep begging you to invite and share. Because they thought that they will manipulate Amazonians. I want to tell Una that I am that kind of woman that does not give up for the something. Me. If I stand for something, until that something happen, I will never give up. So if I don't sit down and celebrate, when I go drink suicidal tonight, because if I talk, they do I go bring a proof. My own proof not be the one where they no. My own proof not be the one where they fabricate or they lie. No. If they say Pierre, I will bring proof, because they don't attack my personal life. They say I'm this. The do picture. Una put more picture. Una see crazy person. No the fear. No the dictionary. As far as I know that I stand for justice, shame is not in my dictionary. Una lie, una insult na my personal life. I want person to come and tell me say we give general this amount of money, she chop am. Nobody on this revolution will say I have collected 1 cent for this revolution. Anybody wey you don give me 1 cent for this revolution, may you come talk. Yes, I give for the revolution. Anybody wey say don give me 1 cent for this revolution, may he come talk. So I am here to talk because I am one of the girls, the only female general who have not touched blood money and who will never touch blood money. So when I talk to Ambazonians, you will never see me involved in any fundraising. You will never see me involved in anything money. I have joined this struggle not for interest, but for justice. I have joined this struggle because I said, Ambazonia helped my people on the Makiza time. I will never let them down now that they need us. I am one of those people that said there is not reason to kill. Whether we live separate way or not, there is not reason to kill. I am one of those girls that said, no matter what where I am coming from, the truth and the fact remain that we were 2 countries. And that now that if my brother decide to go, there is no reason to kill them. It's better for us to live good neighbors than to live in war with fake unity. I am this woman that says, I will not sit down and watch people be killed day by day and keep quiet. I stand against my family in 2016 and I said, Ambazonia, I am Ambazonia. I said, I am Ambazonia. And I'm saying today again, I am Ambazonia. I will die Ambazonia. I will stand with Ambazonia until Ambazonia is free. I did not join this revolution for people to love me. I do not need your love. I do not need your hate. All I need is justice. All I need is the freedom of Ambazonia. For those that call themselves my friend, let me remind all of you that my only friend is Ambazonia independence. I have no friend for this revolution. I repeat, no friend. So all those people that come and pretend, I play their game because me, 10 years experience of adventure. 10 years experience of adventure. You come to play, I play with you. Do you think I can make friends with somebody that put the life of the brother that was in Cameroon in danger? Do you think I can be a friend with somebody that knows that his brother is in Cameroon? Because the brother is telling the truth against ADF, she removed her picture and put on social media. That one a wizard. That one a witchcraft. I can never be friends with wizards. No. I am the female general. And my only friend is Ambazonia first. So I want to tell Ambazonians today, before I start the merciful truth. Whether we like it or not, no matter the manipulation, no matter the lies, there's one thing they call truth. Truth can never be hid forever. Truth can never be hidden forever. Truth can never be hidden forever. Fellow Ambazonians, I want to start here to tell Ambazonians, you get to know your people, you get to know who are fighting for the revolution and who are fighting for their own interests. You get to know the difference between people people that want a free Ambazonians, and people that want to use this struggle for their personal interests. And before I go continue forward, I want to remind Ambazonians that activists are not leaders. We, the activists, are just there to tell the story as it is. Activists can never be a leader. At some point in time, some activists think that they be leader. And that is very bad. That is very bad. I go talk today. I go start from the beginning and finish from the end. I'm very sorry. English is a language I learn. All una know say French na the language where they born me put. But I see better pass Paul Biya. I see better pass many ministers koro for la Republic, our neighbor country. I see better pass many francophones because at least at the talk when they hear me. At least I dey speak this koro English, they go up and down so when they hear me. I don't learn pidgin join am, so very soon I will be very perfect for English, for pidgin. So that is the language of my country, Ambazonia. So I don't learn hard. So for anybody who ever volunteer to teach me more pidgin, may contact me. So now, as I was saying, in 2017, this information is coming straight for the source where na truth. I no come talk say na lie or na fact. In 2017, Ambazonia revolution was going so well. La République was very confused. They didn't know what to do. They were so confused. I am talking as the origin. I am from La République. I was born there before I come collect La République nationality. That means if I tell you a fact from that side, you not believe. They were so confused. They come say, wetin we go do to make sure say we discard this revolution, because these people are so united. They see some man where they hustle. He dey struggle to sell new papers for ministers. They call him. They say, Mr. Man, come. They invite him for minister in place. The minister wey they use that time was Misonge. Peter Mafani Misonge. When I write that name, Peter Mafani Misonge. They invite him for his house. He reach his house, tell him, say, okay, I go send you for America. Una listen, Ambazonians. Before una go follow person with like fools, una listen. Because person wey tell me this, I've never come here to tell una something. When I come and talk about my trip to Boya, una come see say at the end, Tabenyang Brado and bless the money. If I tell una something, I don't open my mouth talk something where I don't know. I tell una this one na fact. Now, they promised him that they will send him for America. His mission to come America was this. He was coming to America to infiltrate the revolution. Una listen to me. Una listen very well. Because una think say person get 1,000 views. Yes, La République is boasting in view to make people think say people love him. No. This is distraction. So na so, me I talk me na true. Me I know the lie. They tell am say your mission was to come infiltrate Ambazonia. After he infiltrate Ambazonia, he will not come and knock people their head. He has two missions. The first mission was to make sure he gathered so many information inside the IG and sent to La République. una agree with me say since they be put Eric Tato, I go call him name if you want. If it is at the lie, he should sue me to court. Let him sue me to court. I go bring proof and fact. Yes, if you think say I dey lie, if you say I am lying, let him sue me to court. His name is Eric Tato, La République agent. This man is working for La République. Ambazonians, don't let your emotion deceive you. Ambazonians, do not let your emotion deceive you. This man have a mission. Infiltrate. We not see him with bus. We not see him with bus. We not see him with bus. Everywhere we not see him now because the mission is to infiltrate and send information to La République. Since every time they don't talk to fighter, you know how our fighter don't die? Now, may I tell the story? When he discussed with former Prime Minister Musonge. The former Prime Minister come say, okay, he was coming, I don't tell una his mission. I don't want to repeat myself. I don't tell una his mission. So now, he carry his leg reach in America. He joined IG because the people IG was actually La République nightmare because they think that they could bring in disunity among them. They realized that IG was so much, the people were so much with the IG, so his mission was to bring in confusion in the IG. And how do you do that? You just come first, you pretend as if you support the IG. People will trust you. You go raise money, you go do this, you go make yourself popular. Ask yourself, where was Eric Tato in 2016? How did he find himself in America suddenly and become the almighty Eric Tato? Just 3 years in US. Where did he get the money to they say he's the richest or whatever? Of course, it's the money that the people pay him. So right now, they don't discover, say, he don't get so much information to give them. They are threatening him. You know, say he don't confuse. Now because of La République pressure on him. La République pressure on him is too much. I want to please beg person where they give me information. Say, please, I am very sorry for disclose that, but I have to save my revolution. Because this revolution is my life. I want to please beg that man where they very closer to the minister where he give me this information. Please, Papa, no vex. I get to save the revolution. I get to save the revolution. I get to save the revolution. Yes. So, when Eric Tato come as an activist, it's like His Excellency Dr. Sako, after he prayed, God revealed to him, say something no clear. He start, because in the beginning, they give him strategy information, he they call fighters, all these things. If you call fighter, you know what they will kill that fighter. So, God show our Excellency, say, that man no clear. So they start to keep some classified information. So when they start to keep some classified information, they create My Trip to Buea. When they create My Trip to Buea, to encourage people to donate, some key Ambazonians take $5,000 and give Eric Tato. Say, Eric Tato, take this $5,000, put in My Trip to Buea, so that you go boost people to donate. Eric Tato, if Dr. Sako no one talk because of peace, if Dr. Secretary Christian no one talk, me I go talk because my belly no disturb. Eric Tato never contribute 1 cent for My Trip to Buea. He did not contribute 1 cent for My Trip to Buea. He have never contributed 1 cent for My Trip to Buea. If he come online say I will donate 100, na person money where they give. Where you go come and say donate upon all the money where you say get. Now that person where you na the list, he come online for more than And when another thing say something not right, I want to tell Ambazonians, when you come reach America, if they give information, they give information, they give information. It gets to a point they realize, it's like they realize who he is. They come to keep some information for him, so he was not getting. Sorry. Kaka, can you give me tissue to clean my face? I'm feeling it. Kaka! Kaka, my son! Keep to invite and share and show some love, because I know people not talk, I know go talk because me, and I know say me, my belly no be stop. Bring me tissue, I clean my face, I'm feeling it. I want to tell you now how it comes do before Sisi will stay for prison, create government. I tell you now the fact. Oh yeah, you can go. So, you know, say when Bas also create their own, like the people was scared of Bas, so they sent Oita to go infiltrate. But he could not infiltrate because Bas was smarter. He can see say Bas is smart, they can take some information from him, he run. So he come back from Ambazonia because he know say at least Bas they get brains more. Ambazonia are the one behaving without many putting information. So if they go for Bas, they are back, waka. They come, they ask him too much question, he run. I'm talking this with fact because I have people inside Bas where they be tell me say Ehitato is not clean. That is like a public agent. He's working for Colbia. I no one call them, but if you do make, I will bring everything. I will bring everything. So when they come realize the interim government, the legitimate interim government led by His Excellency Dr. Sako, the president of the Ambazonia government, the president of the people president, the Ambazonia people president, the one and only, Papa, His Excellency, 21 God salute. When God come review to my Excellency say, Ehitato was like a public agent, so he start to keep classify information for him. He will go back. It's up for him to go back, call the country head to find out how he contribute. He will go out back to find out where the fighter they hide, their base, their this, how they operate. Baby journalists, fake journalists, are you a secretary of defense? Wetin concern you concern fighter, la republic agent? Are you defense department? You are an activist, fake activist of la republic. He carry his stomach. They ask classified question. Those country heads. And they talk so because my boyfriend is among. Yes, I get my boyfriend among where they tell me now everything. If they tell me say every time to be contacting, they ask him classified information saying this Gongekunja site where the fight at the base, how did they take survive, how will they send them money? Baby journalists, wait till you need that information for. Baby journalists, if you not say Musonge and Atangalanjipo send you, wait till you need that information for. Because me, sometimes some fighter contact me, I tell them say una beg, una no contact me. I give them link with Excellency, make they contact the interim government. Because I no one know where the fighter are located. I am just an activist. I no one know classified things. I don't need that. I want Ambazonia to be free. That is why anytime when something is classified, I dey remove my stomach. Because when some classified information go out, because I'm no origin from Amazon, there will be the first person that go suspect. So that's why anytime something is classified, I will carry my stomach run. Ehitato become now defense chairman. He won't become now everything. If they call country head, they ask classified information, they tell you say Ehitato. It's not normal say you call people, they ask those classified information. Even our phone fit be on listing. Wetin you need? He said no, because I want to be sure say the money dey go to the right channel. My brother, if you want to be sure say the money dey go to the right channel, you fit ask for receipt. They go keep, they will hide the name and show you receipt. Why do you have to know the base? How they send them money? Exactly place to send. Why do you want to do that to your people? Go and return the money. I beg. That money na blood money. I am talking. Even I know she, I no go talk again because me, if I don't message you through so, I know they share. And I no go talk nothing again as soon as see me, so I will end this call. Because na one that will be to eject our revolution. Because what I want to talk is plenty. I want to tell you how it come happen. Yes. So when I put some love. When I share some love, when I share some love. When I share some love. Some love. When I don't listen, because what I tell you it's very important to know. It's very important to know. Now, sorry, I had type to see all the information where it was given to me so that I don't do mistake. Wait. Okay. Another. So now so it come out. He come to tell Ntanganaji say those people don't wise on top of my head. They no agree give me classified information again. Wetin we go do? They tell am say, okay, Una Excellency for Naira 9 dey Kondengi, we go use am. But you no go come clear directly like this so that they no go know say na we. So we go use am because when you dey na La Republique prison, you do as they want. If person think say I dey lie, nobody go La Republique prison and come out and sit there La Republique and stand. If you think say I dey lie, ask Dr. Bala Congo. Una ask Dr. Bala. Since he come out, he head no correct again. Una see Dr. Akwanga. Nobody go La Republique prison and sit there correct. So they come tell him say, we go use na that man. Una praise the una love him too much. Bring confusion. I think when that confusion come, Ambazonia will be confused to donate, and we go use that opportunity to kill una people, and it go make discourage a lot of people because they know that Ambazonia loves Sisiku a lot. That day, Sisiku, I'm talking because some people have to know what I am saying. Sisiku Ayub Sabi love Ambazonia. That is a fact. But the situation is facing right now, it is under La Republique. Is doing this against his will because he want to be free. He believes say if he do like that, La Republique promise him that if he do like that, they go free him. So we are not listening to the sabotage our excellency, our former excellency. No, and they talk the truth to save our revolution. Ambazonians, we are not here to fight for leadership. We are here to save a revolution. We are here to make sure La Republique do not hijack our revolution. Yes. So, Eric Tato be called Musonge. People will say, why they give you the information? They give me the information because I am a born Bamieke. They give me the information because so many believe that my love for this revolution is unconditional. They give me this information because the person who even give me information tell me say, please, no mention my name. I don't say you. You no get friend. but I beg, no mention my name. But me, I don't care. If Eita to do work, I will bring all the names and the evidence. Person will even tell me, see the Cameroon there. You don't concern me whether they catch him. Because all of them, they be enablers for me. So, I saw him for telling me. Yes, I saw him. Because me, I know they keep secrets. That kind of secret, I know they keep them. So, I saw him. So, it can't happen like that. I was on my own. That day, I was sleeping. When somebody called me with unknown number, I picked the call. The person said in French, pourquoi est-ce que tu peux, comment est-ce que tu peux laisser ton peuple pour supporter les gens qui t'insultent tous les jours? That means what? How can you leave your own people and support people that are insulting you every day, saying that you're not Ambazonian? I tell you, Mr. Man, I don't know who you are. I don't want to know who you are, but I want to tell you I did not join this revolution for people to recognize me as an Ambazonian. The fact remains that I am an Ambazonian. Please, show some love. Show some love, show some love, show some love, show some love. Una no call him when you know they live. I did live when they call. Please, una no call me when I did live. I'm using but one phone. Please. Una no call me when I did live. Una no call me when I did live. Please, I'm begging, please. You are watching me and you are calling me. Why? Oh, Jesus, what is this? Una no call me when I did live because the life of Ambazonia, the Ambazonia revolution is at risk now. And I get to tell the people of Ambazonia the truth. Let's sit down. Let's sit down. So, as I was saying before President called me, they distract my revolution. So now they come tell the editor to say, okay, we go use you and the Excellency Ayub Chabe to make sure say we bring distraction. I want to repeat to Ambazonians that it's just distraction. It's distraction. The earlier we know that, the better for us. If we want, I challenge Ambazonian to isolate Eritato. We go see la République. Don't kill him. I swear, I want to challenge la. He get la République money, oh. If you not deliver straight, he go vomit that money because they don't eat la République money for free. Me, I was so disturbed to come live because when I received that information, it was January 2020. That information come to me as a shock. I was well. I did not expect that call. Oh, I mean, to record people. I don't know how to record people. I don't know how to record. Like if I don't record that call, just come and play. And I did not expect that call. So when that call called me, he tell me, say, we want to work with you. I tell them, say, who are you? Are you my Ambazonian brother? Because I always, when you contact me, people that know me can say that I was. When I no one show love, if they cut now, me I don't go. I say una pump love. That love, so pump love too. Na salary. Una pump love. Maybe talk this na say this revolution. Una no one. Una want la Republic to win over us. Una want la Republic to be happy. They are celebrating, drinking their champagne. Say they don't succeed. So I get to enter in now and tell them never again in Ambazonia revolution. Never again in Ambazonia revolution shall you people succeed. Never again, not until I'm still alive. Yes. Not until I'm still alive. Jesus, our Lord, they use anybody to save anything. Yes. God can use anybody to save anything as far as the blood of innocent Ambazonia is involved. As far as the blood of innocent Ambazonia are involved, God can use anybody to save the revolution. I need more share. Share. Because the network was having some issues, so people drop. So share. Reshare. Share. La République is attacking. Share. Let the number go up. When I hear this native at the talk so. Because now no share, no go talk. Una share. Invite and share as you join. Invite and share as you join. The female general is here to stay. I have come to stay. Yes. I have come to stay. And I have come to save this revolution. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. I will tell you now how frustrated La République agents are until they go expose women on Facebook. They go expose and insult women on Facebook. How desperate and frustrated they are. La République agent Evitato. How frustrated and evil this man can be. Woman burn you and you sit down for enter insult woman. Because money don't go for your head. We see skid. You go vomit that money, Evitato. You go vomit that money. You go vomit that La République money you chop. Because when your maid was busy, making money for their family, were busy putting children for stomach without any hope, without any way of survival, without any plan of their life. You want to use the people blood to make your own money. You want to use the revolution to make your own money. You go to return that money, master. You go return that money to La République. You go return that money. Whether you like it or not, you go return that money at the come. Are too short. You go return that money because when people was busy taking route to go to Europe, taking water to go to Europe, you were busy in Boya selling new papers to ministers, La République ministers. You were busy after selling newspaper, coming putting children without thinking, without using brain to think. At your age, you don't get sick speaking. You don't desperate. They come call you. People die. Give you money. You collect them. And you are coming say, I'm the rock. Mano, I'm the rock. Which rock? Rock for who? Rock for who? For La République, of course. You are La République rock. You are La République rock. Huh? Ambazonians get to know today that we don't need rock. We don't need any La République rock for this revolution. In 2016, you were not there. Go back. You don't do. You don't overbring confusion. You don't do. Go and tell Atangalanji and Mesonge and Dongute. If I say Dongute, I know it's not Dongute. I know what I do. If I say Atangalanji Paul, I know what I do. I know it's not Atanga Paul. But if I say Atangana, now because say na ene blast, I don't remove Ambazonia nationality on top of your head. I don't give an Adiburu nationality. So that's why you name na Atangana Jipol. So if I call person in name, we are not say I don't know. I know very well which I don't know. Okay? Now, for who they ask me say who give me God or who no give me God? Now me be the female general, the only mama for this revolution say when woman was afraid to talk, I talk. When woman was afraid to stand for the revolution, I stand. And I have the right as a mother for the revolution. To tell Eric Tato, La République, Eric Tato, Atangana. No, which name I will give himself? Eric Tato Mvondo. I have the right to tell Eric Tato Mvondo to pack out. Enough. Enough. Concentrate your energy. Go work money. Pay La République back. Concentrate your energy. Go work money. Pay La République back. Because we get prisoner for prison. Not the only Nagaten. We get many of we brothers with the prison. So if you want to do fundraising, do fundraising for all the prisoners. Because all the people with the prison, they still get family, they still join, they still go prison because of the revolution. So they are all our people, and we, if we have to support them, we go support all of them. Don't let some others to feel rejected. Eric Tato Mvondo. Eric Tato Mvondo. Eric Mvondo Tato. Anyone na see the truth, na see better. I want to tell you today. You will not, I repeat, there is no way you will go and sit down and disgrace this revolution. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I will tell you why. I will tell you why. People say you are Okochukwu, you are from Nigeria. But me, I want to confirm to Ambazonians that you real father. Namvondo. Yi mama, you na know. You real father Namvondo na buru. Because na only buru people when they don't lose their conscience. They don't sell their conscience to devil. They don't sell their conscience to devil. When they see lies, they go tell people say na truth. Na only buru. That is totally buru mentality. Igbo people are not like that. Igbo people are people of justice. Biafran people are not like that. Calling Eric Ikochukwu is an insult. It's Eric Mvondo. It's Eric Mvondo. Yes. Eric Mvondo is a fake journalist. Eric Mvondo, I challenge you to put your journalist degree where you get for UB. UB where you go pay money. Where you go pay money to get that degree. Put it for social media. Put it for social media. I challenge you. Before you go bring fake proof. And I say challenge you because you lie to Ambazonia and say Dr. Sako buy house. I say challenge you until today. I never see the proof of the house where you say you buy them. I know you if you get the proof, if you don't put them Eric Mvondo, you don't get the proof. You don't get the proof, Eric Mvondo. Why you go lie to Ambazonia and say Dr. Sako buy house? Is there with you where you buy that house? Is there with you where you buy that house? Why you go deceive Ambazonia and they lie? And people go they clap saying na true, na true. Una don't see the house. Una don't see the house. He open him up say he never call anybody La République agent. Eric Tato, I remember you called Dr. Cho Ayaba La République agent. You forget so soon? You be called Dr. Cho Ayaba La République agent. Today na Sako you dey call Dr. Sako you dey call La République agent. Eric Tato, the money you collect for La République is end today. Eric Tato, the money you collect La République, go and tell Peter Mafensi Misonga say we don't know who you are. We already know who you are because Bass don't give us information about you. Yes. Bass don't give us information about you. He have not changed. He was never real. He have never been real. He was a pretender. He was on a mission to deliver what the master sent him from to US to do. He was never with us. He have never been with us. And he will never be with us. Eric Tato Mvondo have to relocate to La République. Let him pack his luggage. May he go back to La République. Oh yeah, the go. Yes. If you want, come insult me. I will see come and tell the truth to Ambazonians. We can never keep quiet anymore. Me, I will never keep quiet and I will not keep quiet again. Eric Tato, you are an agent. You try to infiltrate Bass. You wanted us to go follow Bass, where you know very well say Bass the fight for regime change. You send us maybe go match with Bass on top which level, Eric Tato. On top which level they send us maybe go match with Bass. Are we for regime change? Are we fighting for regime change? Eric Tato Vondo. You come do that one, you see say about so your wife for that one, they tell you say we know to go. You go back, disgrace yourself. Disgrace yourself. They come see say you be distraction, they throw you. When they throw you, you become frustrated. You come back to the ID, they start asking strategy, they don't give you. Your only hope now is to use Sisi Kwaitabe to spread this revolution. That is your only last hope. If you don't succeed this one, like people go catch you. If Eric Tato last mission, this is the last mission. When they say last chance, so that we don't give them. My people, if we succeed this one, if we stand firm on this one, we not go hear results. C'est la République don't kill them, or la République don't deport them back, or we not go hear. We not go hear. My brother, insult na wetin? Who don't insult me past my own La Republicans? La Republic don't insult me so they. Wetin I like, I say the more they insult me. People when they know me very well, I say the more they insult me, the more power they enter. I'm a warrior. Insult for me is like adding more power. So when I beg, when I insult me more, when I insult me inspiration, they come plenty. So that I'll get more inspiration to fight for tomorrow. Eric Tato, we need your proof of salary. When you say, I am this, I am that, I am that. I am this, I am that, I am that. Eric Tato, on top which level? With which money? We all know how American works. You do Facebook every day. Which time you do work, Eric Tato? Which time you do work? Every minute you there for Facebook, National Telegram, this, wait till you know, wait till you don't know, you go report them. The lies, you go report them. Everything, you go report them. Fig National Telegraph Group news. That one news. I don't follow that kind of news. That kind of news that they rape people. You come and say people die. At the end, you come say, I beg you not die. Now so, you will come say, Dr. Sako, our president, buy house tomorrow. When you don't get proof, you go come say apologize. We don't need your apology. Go. Leave the revolution. That your news where you do. Which can news with that, Sef? We can news with that. Huh? Every minute you do on social media. They write rubbish. Say you be journalist. Which can journalist be that? We can journalist. When we don't talk about journalists, we get real journalists like Mimi Mefo. Yes, Alice, she's a journalist. She dey report facts. Huh? We get journalists like Mimi Mefo. If you want to talk say person a journalist, now Mimi Mefo be journalist. You Eric Tato, you be which kind journalist? Huh? You say you are working where? Where? Every minute you dey on Facebook. Every minute you dey on Facebook. You dey work na which time? You dey work na which time? So na Facebook you dey work? Huh? You do na Facebook? Yes. Yes. You dey work na for Facebook because that's where you dey take information. We infiltrate us. They take information to send to your boss and Republic. Yes. You are right. You are right. Yes, you dey work na for Facebook. It's true. Every day they call this one. You call this one. Wetin concern you concern strategic information. Eric Tato Vondo, shame on you. Leave the revolution alone. You know the fear, you know the shame. Yeah. Go feed your 6 children. Concentrate on them. Concentrate on them. Because if I become live now every day, I go tell Ambazonian the truth. And they deserve to know the truth. They deserve to know the truth. We're not going to deceive people. We're not going to deceive people. People that get minority call. We're not going to deceive people. We're not going to deceive people. You be a hater to the lie to Ambazonians. You the call country head. They ask them, say, well, if you want to know that thing, do waiting. If you are not a big agent. Eric Tato, who killed General Ivo? Eric Tato, you want to know who killed General Ivo? You, Eric Tato, tell us. Eric Tato, when you come say the Gari people hand, is it what we were fighting for, Eric Tato? You wanted people to turn us to terrorists. Eric Tato, that is the fact that you are working for La République. When you come say they should Gari your own brother and sister hand, Eric Tato. Now only La République vendor, Eric Tato vendor. Now only La République, if you talk something like that, may they Gari his own brother in hand. Now only La République. Because Eril Ambazonia no go rap Gari his own sister. In hand. Eric Tato, now you the terrorist. Eric Tato, you are a terrorist. Eric Tato, you are La République agent. And any La République agent is my enemy. Until you repent and confess to Ambazonians and tell them the truth, you will see me on your way. Yes. Until you confess and tell the truth to Ambazonians, you will see me on your way. Because nobody play with the God-ordained revolution and go free. Nobody play with the God-ordained revolution and go free. Better go and fabricate your fake proof of the house you say my Excellency Dr. Sako buy. And bring it to us. Because you go lie to Ambazonia, that's when they start to look yourself. Say, I have the proof. You buy a house, I also have the proof. You buy a house in Yaoundé with the money they give you. I go post that house for Facebook. I swear to God, I go post that house on Facebook and I go burn it to ashes. I go put that house where you buy for Yaoundé. Erikato, where you get money, buy that big house for Yaoundé. I should tell you where the house is. May I tell you where the house is to show you that I know? May I tell you where the house is to show you say it's true? You buy a house in Yaoundé. You are fighting saying La République. You buy a house in Yaoundé. Erikato, I swear to Almighty God, you know I'm telling the truth. You must tell Ambassador where you get the money to buy a house for Yaoundé. And which name you use, we know. Yes. And that house, I go put up on Facebook when I will know the house and burn it. You get a house in Yaoundé. You get a house in Yaoundé. You buy a land in Boya. You buy a land in Boya, I know that land very well. They don't show me, give me all the detail. You buy a big land in Boya. Fako. You buy a house. So tell Ambazonians where you get the money to go buy house for Yaoundé. You say you want independence. You know very well, say when we get independence, that people will be angry with us. But you carry your leg, go buy house now for Yaoundé. Yes. You buy a house in Yaoundé. And you are coming to Facebook to see the people. They are following you. See the rock of La République. Ambassador, why are you people not thinking right? Why are you not thinking right? Eric Tato is a criminal. Eric Tato is a devil. Eric Tato is Eric Tato vendor. He know that he belongs to Yaoundé. That's why he went to buy a house in Yaoundé. He buy a house in Yaoundé. I have the fact. And I go post it if he do make. Let him come and challenge me, say he don't get house for Yaoundé. Let him come and challenge me, say that house they go burn him down. Eric Tato, if you think say you be madman, come talk say you don't get house for Yaoundé, they go burn that house down. I go give M4, N10, all the detail. That house will go down. Me, enough of your rubbish. I am a mother, and I born 9 months. You will not use our people's blood to manipulate people. You will not collect money for Atangalanji Paul and come and manipulate Ambazonians. You will not come and bring distraction and infighting among us. When you know where you are working to, where you know who you are working for, I will say no anymore over my dead body. Eric Tato vendor. Your last chance is to use Tshisekedi, this Kondengi IG, to spread this revolution, but you are going down with that money. You are going down alone with that money. You are going down alone with that money because they did not send you to collect any money. Patasan rejected money. He rejected the money. He said, my people first. Every time you collect money. because you were promised money in America. Either you are in America, but you will not achieve your goal. I am telling you, you will not achieve your goal. I swear to Almighty God, you will not achieve your goal because you come to this revolution. You want people to see we are terrorists. You say they should guide people their hand. Either your mission was to paint us terrorists. But we hear clear into your game. We say no, we are not terrorists. They should not cut people their hand. And you, when you say Gary, you go send Atangaji people their group, they will cut people their hand. You were not doing that on Ambazonian name. You never cut nobody hand on Ambazonian name. You cut the people hands on your own name. And you shall pay for that. You shall pay for that. All the family of the people where you cut their hand, they shall do with you Eritato. You will never go back to Ambazonia. All the family you cut their hands, they will wait for you. They will wait for you. Eritato do not cut the hands on our own behalf. We Ambazonians, we are not terrorists. We don't cut hands. Eritato was cutting hands on behalf of Atangalan Chipol and Biambi Vondo. Yi Bombo. How they say homonym in French, in English self? I don't know as he go. He homonym, he bombo. He cut the hands on behalf of Vondo, he brother. He was not cutting that on our behalf. Hey Tato, buy your house for Yaoundé. Sell them. Put that money for local government. May they fund the revolution. Neither apologize for Ambazonians. That land where you get boya, sell them. Neither apologize for Ambazonians. We will accept you and forgive you and protect you. Neither and beg the mama and papa where you cut their hands. Neither and beg the people of Ambazonia and confess your sin. If not, I will keep exposing you. I dare your case, you don't take. Since they contact me in January, I have no sleep. I have been monitoring step by step, following this matter. I don't touch many places, forget the correct information. If Boris Boto tell somebody something, means it's not true. If people for Basse tell somebody something, means it's not true. If somebody tell me, say, Eric Tato c'est un infiltré du RDPC, faites attention à lui. They be tell me that. They be tell me, say, Eric Tato est un infiltré du RDPC. It means, say, he's an infiltrator of CPDM. Eric Tato, Pamela, why? Why? Wait, you see that? They do like this. You na crocodile tears. You know they cry nothing. Eric Tato, that money go come for on top your head. You go see. Eric Tato. Then go, you do this. That one na comedy. Comedian. You are a comedian, Eric Tato. You will see me on your way. You know, say me when it comes to voice. When it comes to voice for this struggle, I am one of the strongest voice. Many people know. I am one of the strongest voice. It's not about you. You know, say, people are not alive, but they will come watch. I am one of the strongest voice. When they know me all over la République. Celle qui avait dit qu'elle va bombarder Eto, j'ai osé. Yes, j'ai osé. And I am respected. Yes, I have come to tell you today. See that your comedy, you they do. You know they cry nothing. You know they cry nothing. You will not deliver nothing. Because we don't discover you. Yes, stop coming online and people go call. You go do. You they do waiting. That one we don't tell you say we dey play comedy for this revolution. We are not here for that. You want cry, you go for your house, they cry for your children, they cry for your life. When you come before the camera, they distance our life with your rubbish, you cry waiting. Who send you to collect money? When you collect money, you call who as a witness? Why they make us witness of your tears? Why? You want cry, you lock your door inside your house, you cry. You cry, don't be saying they cry for Ambassador, they cry because they regret. Because you see, say, you no fit deliver. We don't need you to cry for this revolution again. You want cry, lock yourself inside room, cry as you like. You no concern Ambazonians. Wetin I talk. They will call him. The number is not showing. It's a number I no get. Una see, it's not registered number. Una see, it's not registered. Yeah, mommy. Yes, mommy. Mommy. Yes. So not true. He talk like that. I can guarantee he talk like that. Oh, wait till that one. Why are you distracting people? Our people are dying back home. You are distracting people. You are coming to play your comedy. Our people are dying back home, Mr. Man. And you are there distracting people with rubbish. Every day, Sako. Is Sako your mate? Dr. Sako na your mate? We not go to the same school? Huh? You say you don't get people. Now you say in America citizen. Now you say, wait till they say safe. Wait till you they say Erika too. Wait till be your problem. Did we send you to go collect money? The Ambazonians send you to go collect money? What is your problem that you sit down and disturb people? People are dying with this think of strategy how to take our country for like with their hand. You are there disturbing people. What will be your problem? What will be your problem? Ayub Tabe had to distance himself for that criminal. He had to distance himself for that La Republic agent. Yes, if not, he will be putting under the bus because Eritato Mvondo is under the bus. Una write it. Una take book and write. Eritato Mvondo under the bus. You know say me I don't call na me be talk and give people say they be enablers. Now if you not hear from me, anybody talk that one you not believe. Eritato Mvondo under the bus. Una write am. Una know people where they don't under the bus no. Anytime I tell una write put. This una take una book, una go. Next name under the box, Eritato Mvondo under the box. Your own don't finish. You don't overstay your welcome for this revolution. You don't overstay your welcome for this revolution. For now henceforth, you don't need your agent again. You don't need discussion. You don't need any fighting. You are bringing so much hatred among us. You are bringing so much manipulation among us. You bring so harm than good for this revolution. You don't do. Go and concentrate on your national telegraph. Go and concentrate on your journalism. Yes, go. You don't do. This revolution is not national telegraph. Go and do your national telegraph. I beg. We get plenty news for Africa if you report. You don't do. For Ambazonia, we don't need you. You can go. You don't do. You don't do. I beg. Eritato Mvondo. You don't do. Eritato Mvondo under the bus. That was the female general. Story long, but the time is short. I shall come again to continue the story. The next time, I will make sure I bring some small proof to show say what I talk not true. And I will see tell Ambazonians, una prepare for my next live show. Una go put number, una go call. Keep funding your local government. If una want me to get courage to come talk, because I don't feel you come to make noise, the talk when my people, my fighter on the ground never get granite. I don't feel come and shout so when my fighter never get granite. That will be useless. So please, as you don't listen to me so, locate your local government. Go there. $1, $10, $50, $100, $1,000, so that at least I go sleep no say boya. The trend to boya is moving because those fighters when I see so now them get the trend to boya. Now they drive us to boya. I don't feel sleep no say they don't get nothing for their self. So please locate your local government. No give money for thieves. No give money for a Republic agent. No give money to personal individual. They will take the job. They enjoy their self. Give money to the local government. Let them take us. Let us drive us to Boya. I want to salute our fighters on the ground. 21 gun salute. Una they do great job. Ambazonia oh yeah. Ambazonia oh yeah. Ambazonia oh yeah. Una stand strong. The God of Ambazonia is with you. We will succeed. We will conquer. We will make sure we put La Republique down la sauce. We will make sure Ambazonia is free. We will make sure we will free our land. Thank you so much for una sacrifice. Thank you so much. You cannot thank una enough. But must always remain grateful. We say thank you for our fighters. We now show some love for our fighters on the ground. They are doing marvelous job. Let them distance themselves from anything Eric Tato Mvondo. Let them distance. If he call una yes say na Eric Tato Mvondo, una just cut the number, change the number self. If somebody call una for the ground and say I am Eric Tato, una no even follow una cut am. Na like a public agent. After he call you finish, they will locate your camp. So keep safe. Stop sending video on Facebook. We know you are working. You don't need to prove to us anything. Stop showing your faces. Stop showing your video. We don't need video from you. Please stop it. We need una safe. Una avoid Eric Tato Mvondo. Una avoid La République enablers. Una avoid criminal groups. Una avoid groups. Una stand with your interim government. The interim government is the only way forward. We have the government under His Excellency Dr. Sako, and nobody, I said nobody will change that. So my people, I beg una, keep funding your local government. We stand with the interim government until we reach Boya. We stand with the Excellency Dr. Sako until we reach Boya. Long live the Excellency Dr. Sako. Long live the people of Amazonia. Short live the revolution. Until we see again. Bye for now.